It's HW Nail Systems. It's a system that I've been using probably for a couple of months now. It is professional only, but if you're a student, you can upload evidence of your student course, and they also do courses themselves. It's created by a fabulous nail tech called Hayley Winder, and I highly recommend you going checking her Facebook page out, seeing the beautiful colours and seeing the different products, because what I love about the system as well is there's a lot of products to choose from that would be suitable for different clients. So first off, we have Milkshake, which is a thick base. Now, I think this comes in several different colours, but just to give you an idea of the colour, it is like the perfect French colour. Do you know what I mean? So this, it would be more, it's not for an extension. This is more like in place of a rubber base. So it's perfect if you have a client that has either really weak or brittle nails, or just wants a stronger gel manicure. So, you know, the clients that are particularly heavy-handed, that's going to be a perfect one for them. But again, that's just for the natural nail. You wouldn't extend with that one. Next we have Hyperbuild. Hyperbuild is a HEMA-free builder gel. It can be used on its own, with a primer, with one of the base coats, and it's quite strong, so that can be used to extend the nails, obviously within reason. I think most builder gels, you're really only looking at like a short to medium length. Anything longer, you really do need to be looking at hard gel, which Hayley also does, and also, or like Acrygel, Polygel, something like that, or acrylic. You need something much stronger. Now, they're the most beautiful consistency, and also I've got a nude. I'll show you the nude. They don't get too thick. They're nice and easy to work with, and they also really self-level very, very well. So I don't know whether you can see that. Again, it's a lovely colour for a French. It's got a nice kind of self-leveling property, but it also moves, so it's not too stiff and kind of claggy. It just flows really nicely on the nail. So I'd highly recommend those. And again, they're a great builder gel, HEMA-free, perfect for those clients that may have had a reaction to HEMA. Again, always make sure you get kind of confirmation that they're okay to go and have it had and have the service, etc., etc. I have a sticky top coat now. I think she does a couple of sticky top coats. I actually use, a couple of top coats. I actually use the sticky top coat on my acrylic sets as well, and it is banging. It lasts really, really well. It does have an inhibition layer, but in all honesty, you should always be wiping your gel polish anyway, regardless. Your gel polish top coat, that is. So highly recommend that. It's a great top coat, and like I say, it works beautifully on acrylic too. Next, we have Flexi B. Now, Flexi B is a soft gel builder gel. It doesn't need a primer or a base, anything like that. The layers do need to be kept thin for effective curing, and it's got a bit of HEMA in it, but it's like less than 1%, and best on like a short to medium nail. This is the Flexi B. Again, it's slightly more runny. It's lovely to work with, and you can build that up in layers as you wish. They also, what I like about Hayley Winder is they do like a big bottle, so you can actually refill from them, I think, in certain products, which I thought was a really, really good selling point. They also do glitters. One of my favourite chromes is the Chrome Glaze, and it is, well, it's like a you know, like a pearlescent glaze. It is beautiful. Probably one of my favourite bits of kit. My rainbow dusty brush with the sparkles in. Such a happy nail tech with that. Colours wise, lovely pigmented gel. It applies really, really nicely, and it applies. You can apply it thin, and you get really, really good coverage. But yeah, that's Hayley Winder. They also do e-file bits. I think they might do an e-file, but don't quote me on that. They sell their own range of Cleanse It, which I am loving, and that takes off the sticky inhibition layers. But yeah, generally a huge fan. I think she's a fantastic nail tech, and I think she's created products that nail techs love, so do make sure you go and check her out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.